Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here. If you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. Today I'm in such a good mood because this time next week I'll be with my twin sister. Y'all, I cannot wait to see her. And for those who are new, I do have a twin sister. One of my most popular videos is with my twin. If you haven't seen that video, then be sure to check it out. I'll also be sure to insert some photos here and here so that you all can see what we look like together. And for those who may be wondering, in this photo, we were actually wearing units from HerGivenHair. I was wearing my signature U-part unit and my sister was wearing the Coily lace front, I believe, in length 18. Such a cute photo. I actually installed it for her and we look so cute. I feel like it was a really good look. I'm also planning to do some twin photos while we're there. I have some outfits that we're going to be dressed alike in. And then some outfits that are not exactly the same but complement each other really well. So that's going to be really cool. I'm also planning to vlog and I'm also planning to do one twin dedicated video. So you all leave some ideas down below on what you guys want to see with the two of us. But let's get into this video. Today I'm going to be showing you all another HerGivenHair unit. That's my favorite natural hair wig company. As I shared, my twin sister and I were wearing their hair in that photo. We also wore that hair in the twin video. I also wore HerGivenHair for my wedding. So anytime I want my hair to look really real and natural, like it grew out of my scalp, I'm reaching for HerGivenHair. Their units are so bomb. And as I've shared in many of my other videos, the Coily texture is it for me. Now, this particular unit is another bang unit, but y'all, it has some highlights. It is gorgeous. So this is the package that it came in. Their units are always packaged so well. And I'm really hoping that I'm able to install this unit right out of the package. I don't have to wash or anything. I might have to do little minor things, but I don't think I'm gonna have to do too much. Oh my. This color is beautiful. Y'all, this is a highlight bang unit and it's called the Proud Brown Goddess unit. The curls and everything right out of the package looks so good. And I feel like this would be considered a no work needed unit. I'm going to try my best to install it without having to do all the added things. If you're someone who's looking for a tutorial on how to wash, define the curls and everything, I do have so many videos on that. I'm not going to go through that whole process today because I want to show you guys today that this unit is a no work needed unit and you can wear it right out of the package. So let's get started installing this wig. Alright, so putting the unit on the mannequin head, this is what it looks like. It comes in length 18. And it has already been cut and pre-styled and everything. I love these highlights. They are so beautiful. And of course, because of the way it was packaged, the curls are kind of smashed a little bit, but I'm going to show you guys how to get it together. All right, so now I'm going to do a full spin to show you all what the unit looks like from all angles. This unit is in the Coily texture, and that's my favorite texture. This shape looks amazing. I love how the curls look on the end. This texture is beautiful right out of the package. I can probably just spray a little bit of moisturizing leave-in conditioner on the hair and be good to go. And the bangs on this unit look fuller than the one in my last video. I really like how chunky they are and how full they look. And this is a lace closure unit, so it has 4x4 parting space. So you only get parting in this area. So for beginners, this is the best type of unit to install. One that doesn't have so much lace or no lace at all, like those headband wigs that I've been talking about a lot. And they actually have a headband wig that has bangs. I have a video on that and I'll also insert that in the cards above. It also comes with an elastic band, so if you want to adjust it, make it tighter, make it looser, this is helpful. And this is also really good for those units that you want to wear glueless. You don't have to worry about any glue, you don't have to worry about gel or anything like that. You can use this in order to tighten it and it's really helpful. So this is what the parting looks like on the unit. It doesn't look like the knots have actually been bleached too much. They may have just been lightly bleached. You can actually get away with just using foundation or concealer in that area. And you're actually not limited to wearing the unit with just the bangs going straight across. You could do a middle part if you wanted. And this is how it would look with the middle part. And I'll show you guys what it looks like on me as well. And you could do a side part also. Okay, so right now I'm going to cut the lace off in the front and then begin to install the unit. And this is what the hairline looks like if you wanted to pull it back off your face.
Try I catch my breath when you walk in the room. Losing my mind, but I'm playing it cool.
All right, now it's time to install her. I'm really excited to see what she's gonna look like. I feel like I can do so much with this unit.
Tugging on my heartstrings just like you do, just like you do. I can't even focus when I'm there.
And what I'm doing is just inserting the combs on the side. I've gotten quite a few questions about whether the combs cause damage. I've never had any issues with the combs, but if you're someone who struggles when it comes to installing your units with the combs on the side, then just use bobby pins instead. But if you're someone who doesn't have edges, or if you're bald, you can use the wig grip in order to keep the unit from sliding. That's a really good hack. That should be a better option for you, or you can not use the combs at all. I wear many of my units and I don't insert the combs. I just did it today, but you don't have to.
Next to you, there's something in the air, don't you feel it too? We keep playing games, I don't wanna lose. 'Cause baby, don't you know you've got a way about.
She looks so cute. Now I'm gonna see if I can wear it like this and maybe just spray a leave-in conditioner as I showed earlier, but we'll see, because generally y'all know I usually go through the whole little process of washing and everything. But I don't want to do that today. I feel like in this state, the unit is already so big and voluminous, and I love that. So I want to keep all the volume and the fullness. You can still get that after washing it, but it does take a little bit. I have to like pick it and do all this extra, but it's already the volume that I like, which is great. So I want to leave it like that. So I'm just going to play around with it and zhuzh it up. See, this is the texture out of the package. I'm going to try this restorative spray by Main Choice for now. I may also try this, because this has been my holy grail for getting the units to look really moisturized and just adding that extra oomph that I like. So I'm gonna try this one first, and this will help to add moisture in the hair as well.
Come on and catch that vibe. Don't stop until the feeling's right. Spin around, come on, let's take a ride. We'll be feeling good in no time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. It's as simple as ABC. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it.
The hair feels so soft after spraying that product. This product actually makes the hair feel like it's been washed and conditioned. That's what I like about it. It gives the hair a really nice sheen and it gives it a conditioned look. I sprayed that on it and the hair feels so much softer. It feels like it would if I were to have washed the hair, but I didn't. I think I'm also going to go in with my Melanin Hair Care leave-in conditioner just on the ends so that they can kind of pop a little more. But yeah, it's looking really good.
Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like that. Like that. Look over here, I'm gonna show you what I got. 'Cause once I get it, no, I'm never gonna stop. It's so effortless, don't even need to try. I'm gonna do my thing DIY. I like it flawless and I like it clean. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. Just like a fantasy, just like a dream. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it. It's easy as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like that.
Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. I do want to add some hair polisher to the hair to give it a bit more shine. So we're going to do that now. So these are the finished results. This turned out probably better than I expected. I'm so accustomed to having to co-wash and define the curls and do all that extra, but I love this method because it's so quick and easy. It probably only took me about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes in order to get the curls coiled on the ends, but you don't have to do that. The unit looks so great right out of the package, but I like to have a more chunky round curl on the end, so that's why I tried to achieve that in different areas, and you don't actually have to do the entire unit. You can just sporadically decide where you want those round curls to be and just coil those areas. So that's all I did, and it looks so great. It looks like I actually did wash it and define the curls. Not only is this unit great for lazy naturals like me, but if you deal with any issues with your edges, this unit covers them completely. So if you're balding, if you have thinning edges, anything like that, I've shared quite a bit that natural hair units with bangs are so perfect for individuals who have those type issues. You don't have to worry about putting anything on your edges. They're completely covered. Y'all, these units, you could do so much with these. If you wanted to deep condition under the unit, you could do that. Someone said under one of my hairband wig videos that those are as easy as putting on a hat. These type units are as well. But with these, you don't have to worry about anything. Throw it on, you're ready to go. And you look bomb. Like, this is gorgeous. Now let me show you all what the unit looks like with the middle part. I already have my hair parted in the middle. And what I used to do when I would wear bang units, I believe I did this with the Something About Mary unit a great deal, is I'd already have my hair parted in the middle. And then I just take the hair, pull it apart, and my natural part actually creates a really natural middle part look for the unit without having to use the lace that's already there. And it makes it look like it's really your hair. So you see how that looks?
Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's easy as that.
Okay, so this is the middle part. Ooh, I like it like that. Now let's see what it looks like with the side part.
Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like that.
Y'all let me know which way y'all like it best. Do you like the middle? Do you like the side? Do you like it with just the bangs? But it's good that there's versatility with this unit, so you could wear it either way. And it looks so great. I don't know if y'all been watching the show Ready to Love. Let me know down in the comment section. Y'all probably already know where I'm going with this. There's a woman up there, I can't even remember her name right now, but she wears her hair like this. It's really big. She has a side swept bang look, has a nice curly fro, but y'all, it's a synthetic wig. And I'm often like, oh, I think she missed the mark. She should have used a natural hair wig. Whenever we see her, we're like, she's so cute. The style is great, but the synthetic wig, I feel like it gives off a wiggy look, the one that she used, because the texture wasn't natural at all. And I'm often like, man, why didn't she get a natural hair wig with a texture like this? Nobody will be able to tell that it isn't her hair. But with synthetic curly hair, if you don't get the right texture, it's gonna look wiggy. So this would have been great for her. Oh, I just figured out her name, y'all. Her name is Joy. And if you haven't seen that show, Not that I'm recommending it, but y'all, it's good. We watch it every Friday night together, and Joy wears her hair like this, but it would look better if it was a natural texture. And also a human hair wig, because that synthetic with that texture, it could have been better. It just could have been better. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Let me know which style was your favorite. Also check the description. I'll have all the links and specifications for this unit provided down there. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Just do it, just do it, just do it.